Hello guys, welcome back to my creating channel. I'm Shtukense and today finally I received my biggest set of Copic markers. I'm so happy cat now, and today we will make unpack and first impression of these Copics. This is it. I ordered my Copics at eBay. I will leave link down below this video if you also would like to order your Copics. So this is set of 72 markers A, and it's so interesting to see what's inside. Let's open it. You see it packaged very well, a lot of paper around and carton. Everything is packaged very cool. Let's open and have a look. And by the way, you can have a look at my working place now, because this is a place where I draw. And you see, I made from IKEA. I ordered this box, this wooden box. And this wooden box, previously I used it for sewing, for sewing. But now I put out the small boxes and put them under the monitors. And now I'm going to put my markers in these boxes. It's very interesting because I saw that there is a lot of packages and boxes especially for markers, but I think my idea will work good. I hope so. And you see how many layers of this special, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer. A lot of layers. It's very hard to open it, but it's so interesting. Where is it? Still, we do not see any Copics. Let's continue to open our box. Another layer. Here is it. Another 2 layers. Another 3 layers. Still no, not Copics inside. Do we have any Copic inside or not?
Maybe it's a bricks, кирпичи.
Maybe it's not Copics.
Just bricks, two bricks.
Maybe it's just paper. Wow, I see something. You see? I start to see the box of my Copics. So, by the way, if you want to order online Copics, do not be afraid. I ordered it directly from Japan. Directly. I live in Russia, in Moscow, and these Copics came from Japan for about 5 days. Yeah, 5 or 4 days. I don't know.
A week, I think.
I think about a week. Yes, it was delivery about a week. Very fast and cool. So yes, finally we see. Guys. It's so beautiful. Look. Wow. Wow. It's 72 A colors. You can see the name of the colors here. You see, this is the name of the colors, and you can find them online also. But it's easily to see here because on the back side of the markers we see actual colors of these markers. Wow, it's so cool. Let's continue opening our box. It's so interesting. Wow. Let's be careful and open another. Up. Yes. It's packaged very well. It's new. You know, I was worried because when you order online, you never know what you get. This is brand new markers, very well packaged, original, not, I don't know, not copy or whatever. It's original Copics. They are so beautiful. Let's open. Wow, how do you open this? How do you open this box? Oh, it's closed. You have to unpack it again from the side, one side and another side. Oh. Yes. Now I think we're ready. Yes. And here we have another packaged, ready. Wow. Oh my god, it's so cool. Look, here is our box, and we see markers inside the box, and here we see what is it. Look, wow, what is that? I think it's a special thing which is make them not shaky in the box. Look, when you pack two plastic stuff, and here is it. Wow, our markers, so cool, guys. Oh my god, they're so nice and cool. We have bright colors. This set, by the way, if you looking for the set of Copics and you do not know which set to order, please check out my my article at the website. I wrote it, but it's in Russian. I hope you can use translator and understand anyway, but still, which set is suitable for you. If you want to buy a set of basic bright colors and a lot of shades of one color, this set is cool for you. 72A, because look, you have here red and a lot of shades of red. You have here a pink, violet, and a lot of shades of violet. You have here red, yellow. Look, a lot of shades of yellow. So it's very cool for blending and having a lot of shades of one of particular colors. But if you see, have a look at these colors, you see that there is not much very light colors, the colors so-called vanilla?
No, taking.
Yes, like skin tone colors, like white, very light blue, or like this. Because this set is not for light colors, this set for bright colors. And if you want a set of light colors, take B. 70AB is for light colors. And of course, it's so cool. I'm so happy. Next video we will try this Copics and we will draw with Copics. Please subscribe to my channel to have more videos about markers, to have videos about all kind of paintings with different artistic material. Hope you like this video, and would you like to see inside the Copic right now? I think you want. Let's have a look at the one Copic inside. Let's choose a color. Choose a color and I will pick the color you choose. I'm a magician. Choose a color. Any color from this set.
Choose it. Me?
Yeah.
Operator man.
Okay, choose it.
This.
C3. You choose C3? Yeah, I knew that. Let's have a look how these markers look like. I choose Sketch. This Copic Sketch point. Sketch is for having like a brush tip, and it's look like this. So very nice. Let's open it. We have one side is white marker. Look, it's white tip. Smells like beautiful art. And another tip is brush tip. Look, it's so cute. Like, you see? Brush tip. Very big and it's flexible.
Try it.
You want to try this color?
Maybe something brighter.
Choose it.
Let's take this one.
Let's try it with a paper. I don't have special paper yet, and I will try it on the paper for drawing, for children's drawing. Do you like it? Let's try it. And as I read about markers, you have to underline something which is not like paper, because it's soaking through the paper. Let's try it here and have some paper which we put underneath.
Maybe next video you try. What do you think?
I will try one. I think it's interesting. Let's try one. Just because it's interesting. I don't know, it's interesting. Let's take two colors, just to be like a real Copic man, because Copic is about blending. So let's try. Look, it's very thin paper, as you can see. You see, very thin paper. So how it works? Wow! And one color, and we put another color here, and again this color. And
do you need to wait when they dry or not?
No, you have to do it while they wet, actually, as I read about that. You see, they you have to like blend them. You see, they're blending. Oh my god, they're blending.
Yeah.
You see?
But
it's fun. You can blend them together. But these colors is not actually matching, but they're blending, even in the basic paper. Okay guys, thank you very much for attention, and we will draw and we will try all the colors and make paintings and all of that in the next video. Please subscribe. See you.